What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna change the speakers for the rear seat. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we have to remove this plastic, but in order to remove that we have to unclip this piece, and I think we have to remove this one, these covers, because you can, I don't know if you can see it here, but it has like a lip here, so you cannot remove it without removing this side panel, the white one. Alright, so let's see if that works. Alright, so the cover is removed. it wasn't that easy. Remember, just you only need to unclip it. Well, unclip these pieces first, and then remove the the white. Remove the white cover from here, because if you don't remove these ones, you cannot pull up for this cover. So after you pull, you have to. After you lift it up, pull a little bit, but be careful not to break it. And it has one connection over there. That's the LED for the rear brake. The rear brake light. Disconnect that one first, because you don't want to rip the cables. And after that, it's ready, and now we can remove the speakers. You can see it right there. Alright guys, these are the original speakers, the OEM. You can see it, they are pretty cheap. You can see the rear. And now these are the ones I'm gonna put there. These are KICKER, this is the model. Alright, so I hope this will sound amazing. Alright, so let's open this thing. Alright guys, these are the new speakers. This looks amazing. I'm so excited. Look the difference. This one, look. Man, this looks amazing. Look at the original. These are the OEM speakers, and now look this beauty. It's amazing. Alright, so now let's install this one. This one comes with everything. comes even with the cables. I already have another cables. I hope those will fit. If not, I'm gonna use this to connect to the original wire. Okay, so you don't have to buy new connections. So these are the ones I have for the Toyota, but if this one doesn't fit, I have this. Okay, all right, so let's install this. Okay, also I almost forgot, I bought these adapters, so I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video for everything. All right, so if you wanna do this, you can get it online. All right, so before I put the speakers in there, I'm gonna put the screws for this one because there's not that much space over there. So alright, first problem that I found. As you can see here, the screws, they're long. Alright, and in the frame, the metal, the adapter is even with the metal, so the screws hit the metal here. So I'm thinking I have to drill the holes. That's the only way I can do it. So I'm gonna drill more holes so that the screws they can go down. Alright, I already drilled the holes. I had to destroy this thing. You see it? You can see it there. Alright, the speakers are ready. So before I put everything back, I'm gonna test the sound. Alright, let's see if they work. Alright guys, now that the speaker is installed, let's see the sound. This microphone, it has a limit. So somebody said that the sound is the same. It's not the same, but the microphone of the camera cannot pick the difference of the sound. It has a limit of audio. But let's hear it first. Alright guys, it's louder, it's a lot louder, but this each speaker has its own tweeter, so the voice and the highs are super high, but the bass is not that high. Like when I put this one, treble, I don't know how to pronounce that. This one and the middles and the mids are super high. It's like the voice and the tweeter, man, it's super loud. But the bass is not that loud. So that means I need to get a subwoofer. I need to get a better stereo, because this stereo cannot give enough power to these speakers. So I'm planning on getting a better subwoofer, an amp, and probably a better stereo. Okay, so but I still have to search something good, not too expensive, and something that fits the Corolla. Alright guys, those are the rear speakers for the seat. They're loud, but now it needs a subwoofer because the voice is only loud but doesn't have bass. So I'm thinking of getting a subwoofer with an amp to put it on the trunk, okay? If you have a subwoofer, let me know what brand do you have. If it's good, put in the comments, let me know what do you have, because I'm gonna start to research something good for my car, okay? Put in the comments what you think about the speakers, okay? And all the links are gonna be on the description of the video. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.